Hi, my name is Teacher Emma. Could you please introduce yourself?
My name is Khánh and I live in Hanoi, Vietnam. I I think that today I will do a speaking test with you.
Okay, tell me about your hobbies, what you like to do in your free time.
I usually like to maybe watch TV or play games, but also kind of go outside, touch grass, do normal stuff.
Okay, all right, so as you said, we're gonna do our speaking test. All right, so first we want to start with viruses. We learned so much about viruses. What do you remember about them?
First of all, in their size, they are very small. You can't see them normally. They're small. They're very small, so you need an electron microscope to see them. They
Um,
also have shapes like a ball, a cylinder, spirals.
okay, are they good for the body or not?
Most of them are not really good for ourselves, our bodies, but some of them can be good for ourselves.
Okay, all right. Now this virus called the influenza virus. Have you heard of it?
Yes.
Okay, can you tell me more about it?
It is the reason we get the flu, and sometimes as you can also get and it's very hard and very annoying to deal with.
Okay, and how do we get this virus?
They can go through our body. For example, if you get scarred or get or it goes through our nose, mouth,
Okay,
places.
and what can we do to protect ourselves from this virus?
We can be more careful, and if we get the virus, we can actually get some medicine, try and cure.
Okay, right now we also talked about how our bodies protect us from viruses. Um, can you take me through how the body does that?
Uh, our body helps us with various ways. For example, our skin made of lots of dead cells,
Mm,
so the virus can't infect them.
mm,
Or if they get into our body by scar or a scratch, they can infect cells. But we have a special cell called the white blood cell
mm.
that kills the virus. And if not by the skin or the scar, they also can go through our noses. But we also have a nose hairs to block them. And if they go through there, then they also get. But we can also block them with with mucus, and then it goes down to our stomach and has acid and just
All right, good. That's
disintegrate it.
perfect. Good, good. All right, now this is the respiratory system. All right, can you name some of the parts of it?
We have the nose, the trachea, the lungs, and the diaphragm.
Okay. Can you do the same for the circulatory system?
We have the artery, the
Capillaries.
the capillaries, the heart, and the body.
Okay. All right. Now we also learned that both systems work together. All right. Can you tell us how they do that? Starting from the
Uh,
nose.
from the nose, we breathe air in. It goes through our respiratory system,
Hmm.
then down to the artery and down to the heart. Then the heart makes those oxygen into with blood into oxygen,
Oxygenated.
oxygenated blood, and it goes through all of our body.
Hmm.
Then we breathe back the back with carbon dioxide and goes to our heart, then back to the lungs, and back to the nose.
Okay. Okay. Good. Good. Next. uh, I want you to tell me your opinion about playing sports and exercising.
By default, playing sports is great for your, is good for your health, but it's more like more enjoyable if you have friends
Hmm.
or if you have more motivation.
Hmm.
Same as exercise. Exercise you can do it alone without getting too bored.
But you said the exercising is good for our health. How is that? Can you tell me more?
When we exercise, our body moves more, which actually helps us, for example, muscles to help us make us more stronger.
Hmm.
And when we exercise, we breathe a lot more, which makes our respiratory system and the circulatory system more stronger.
Okay. Okay. So do you often exercise?
It depends. Maybe I can do it, but if it ever gets not really good, if the weather isn't that good, then I can't play.
So you only exercise when the weather is good.
Yes, I hate rain.
Okay.
I don't want to get sunburned. I don't want to turn into like this. I want to be black. I don't want to know. I want to be black. No, I'm not saying that you're black.
Yeah, I think I get it. I get it. You just don't want to get sunburned.
Yes.
And what do you think happens if people don't exercise?
They will get very lazy and very tired because when they even try to run, they just lose all the energy just to the room.
Mm. Mm.
Just breathe.
Okay, let's do the last one. What are some ways that people can stay healthy?
For example, you can eat nutritious stuff like the chicken or rice and vegetables, or exercise a lot to help us our body to be stronger, or just don't try and go just don't try to be too much of a mm, kid that just likes to do the dangerous stuff.
Mm.
You don't want to get scars.
Yeah, but you say you didn't want to get sunburned.
Yes, but it doesn't. If you get too much of sunburn, your skin actually just get crisp.
Okay, so you need to
So
find a balance.
yes.
Okay, all right. Thank you, Egg. That's the end of our presentation. All right, speaking test.